Hey guys, my name is Tom. This is my assistant Pinko. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find an answer to a common type of algebra exercise, which involves finding concentrations of substances, okay, in a resulting mixture. So before we do anything else, let's be sure we understand what we have to do, which is this. You've got a bucket, and there's a mixture, okay? There you go. So say you have 20 ounces of this substance, okay, 20 ounces of that. Then to it you will add, say, some water. In other words, you will add some pure water to this mixture, but we don't know how much of this water you will add, okay? So, because we don't know how much of it you have to add, we introduce a variable. And all of this will be equal to the following. You will take the two buckets and merge them into one bucket, right? You can have a big bucket of a substance. So you draw a little picture that suggests that, okay? Once you have the mental image in place, it's much easier to solve these exercises. There you go. So we have, this. So how many ounces will this quantity be altogether? If you've got 20 here and x here, that means altogether the substance is 20 plus x once you mix these two together. That's just the first step, right? Understanding that this substance and this substance will be mixed together, and the resulting number of ounces is 20 plus x in this case. Then the second step comes, which says the following. Of the first substance, perhaps that amount, okay, is salt. So this is what you will do. You will write. And let's see, let's estimate that. Maybe a third, right? So let's say a third of the 20 ounces is salt. So you have to take your third of the 20 ounces. So a third of the 20. And then you will add to this, okay, whatever the salt is in the water, but that is 0. So in other words, what you will do is you will take 0% of the x, because that is pure water. And these two things merged together, of course, have to give you, and now this is told to you in the statement of the problem, say they tell you that the resulting mixture then is to be, I don't know, let's make it up here, okay? Say the resulting mixture is to be that fraction salt. So that's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, roughly, okay? Say roughly a fifth of the resulting mixture has to be salt. So on the right side, you've got to write 1/5 of the 20 plus x. Okay, so this is the setup. If you have this mental image to back up the equation, you will solve this well, okay? Well, with this in place, now we solve. The rest of it is solving equations. So what is a third of 20? Let's just write it as 20 over 3 for now. 0 times x is 0. On the right side, then, we have a fifth of 20 plus x. Use the distributive property. 20 divided by a 5, or 20 times a fifth, is 4. So it looks like this. And then you take a fifth of x. Plus 1/5 of x. Next move. Take the 4, move it to the left side. So you'll have 20 over 3 minus 4 equals a fifth of x. Next move. Combine by having the same denominator. So 20 over x minus 12 over 3. 12 over 3 is just another way of expressing the number 4. 12 divided by 3 is 4. And all of this still equals 1/5 x. Simplify the left side. So I'm going to draw an arrow to indicate I am moving over here. So 20 minus 12, of course, is 8. So you've got 8/3 equals a fifth of x. Now the objective, of course, is to isolate x. So the way to do it is multiply both sides by 5 over 1, which is the reciprocal. There we are. Cross up the 5's. And what remains on the right side is just x by itself. On the left side, we have 40 over 3. Okay? Now this is an improper fraction. You may want to convert it to a mixed number. So to review that concept, this is what you do. You will take your 40, write the 3, and then proceed as follows. How many 3's go into 4? 1. 1 times 3 is 3. What remains is 10. How many whole 3's go into 10? 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. Therefore, we can also express this as 13 and 1/3. Okay, so 13 and 1/3. Like this. So to summarize, what we can say is to produce a final mixture that is a 1/5 salt, or 20% salt, if you like, you have to combine this substance, of which 1/3 is salt, with 13 and 1/3 ounces of water. And when you do that, the resulting mixture will be 1/5 salt. And that is the exercise. So, thank you for watching and being patient. Don't forget to smile. Have an absolutely amazing day.